Last up on our list for how to treat and help some stiff shoulders through the overhead position is just using good old-fashioned gravity. We're gonna find a pull-up bar and we're gonna hang just in a passive position here. So just getting a good grip on the bar, relaxing, getting as much length through the body as you can. And we're talking about holding between 30 seconds up to maybe 2 minutes at a time, depending on what your grip can handle, but just letting gravity do its magic here and trying to open up the shoulders. So find a bar for you, either where you're hanging or if you're not quite comfortable with that, where your feet are lightly touching the floor. And we're gonna hang. So at first you may feel like there is some need for tension, but try and relax. Get your shoulders up into your ears. And once you find that position, try and just lightly brace down through your abs, pulling your ribs down, and breathe. Have a timer set up so we can get at least 30 seconds, but like I said, we're gonna build upwards of 2 minutes if that's possible. The more time you can spend just passively hanging here, the better. If you have any tingling in your fingers, definitely reset, but this would be good for a lot of things, one of them being just opening up that overhead position. Something that you can do pretty darn frequently. If you know you're tight, I'd recommend doing it daily, upwards of 3 to 5 minutes before, during, after the workout. The more you can spread it throughout the day, the better. Good luck.